Hi there, my name is Donna Vickers and welcome to our brand new office in Nuevo Vallarta. Are you ready to check out some properties? Come on, let's go. Here we are at 3.14 Plaza in Nuevo Vallarta. We're about to go check out this 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo for $159,000. Let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Ale. Let's go take a look at your next property.
Welcome to a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you. This beautiful residence is located just 10 minutes walking distance to Nuevo Vallarta Beach. It has 2 levels, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2 covered terraces, a pool with integrated jacuzzi, and front and rear views to the garden. This property is excellently located, offering a relaxed atmosphere with beautiful nature and even the chance to feel the sea breeze so close to you. Selling at $550,000, Casa Colibri is waiting for you.
Hola, my name is Javier Vela with Coldwell Banker La Costa, and let's go see our next property. Welcome to Villa Goretti here in the beautiful Marina Vallarta area. Today we're going to look at this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home that has been extensively renovated with contemporary Mexican finishes. And the home sits on the 14th hole of the Marina Vallarta golf course and has its own private pool. Wait till you see this place. Come on, let's go have a look.